Yep, we got the psychopaths out again, doing huge circles. Now the reason, even if this is a police department, their circles are so big, there's no way that's targeting us. Look at, did you see that? It looks like they're actually, are those pictures? Are they images, photos are taken, or just the lights? That's weird. And here they are right here. Right in 313 DP. It is a Bell 407 aircraft, registration 313 DP, as in Paul. And look how many times they've gone around. And here they come around again. Let's see here. What a bunch of creeps. I mean, that's not, they're just joyriding on our dime, I think. See if we can pick them up. Here they come. Murder of crows. Incoming. See, they're just doing little circles. Their circle got a little tighter because when I was first watching them, they were a little bit wider. Now they're narrowing in a little bit. So they've been at it for over an hour because it's 7:47 p.m. right now. So they took off from Gillespie Field. Here they come around again. Where'd they go? There they are. Look at the Look at this little highlight on, remember that map I've been showing y'all lately? Look at this, down San Diego. A violent weekend in San Diego with police investigating 5 separate shootings. They always have either 3 or 5 or 55. But according to this USA.live UA map, there's no police activity going on, at least they're not showing it. So it looks like it's more of just a little joyride. Look at that. How expensive is gas? Yep. So here's their flight right here, and they've had a couple others. Let's go check them out. So this is San Diego County Sheriff Department. Type code, oh, B407. So let's go look at that. So they did this again earlier today too. Here they come around again. We can listen to them in the background as they fly overhead. So here was their route today, and apparently they like this area here. So they grace us with our presence, with their presence. And you know, you've heard how loud it is. Well, maybe you're not picking it up, but anyhow, there you go. And this was even earlier this morning at 9:26 a.m. So they had a 9:26, a 2 p.m., and a 6:40 p.m. And again, they like this, this time they came from Carlsbad, it looks like. Let's go look here. Yep, that's the Chula Vista area, Bonita. But that doesn't seem like it's some police activity, just because, I mean, look how wide they're searching. So this was earlier today, around 9:30. And this flight was about 2 hours. Whoa. I mean, anyone who lives around here, I'm sure it's a little disruptive. So they're heading back home. All right, so what did they accomplish? Who knows? Who knows? Still nothing reported, and it looks like they took off that little sign that said that it's been a violent weekend, which is not even the weekend. This was a screenshot I took today of that map, and isn't that kind of interesting? So you could say it's because of population or whatever, but look at this. And then I wanted to look at the NextRad map. So here's a little map. Here's that little emergency map, things that were going on in the United States, and here's the NextRad map. Now maybe it's the population, because it looks like the coasts are more busy with violent activity of some sort. And then the NextRad, if you pull out way back, so, and the NextRad, this is just the weather Doppler. So NextRad is U.S. Department of Commerce, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, National Weather Service. Next Generation Radar. It's a Doppler radar. So they tell you about the weather. And support contractors. You want to see a support contractor? Watch this. So we're looking at a picture of the west coast in California, Southern California. There's the border right there. Right there, the green is Sweetwater Dam. And in 1915, they hired a guy named Charles Hatfield to make rain, and it flooded people out. Anyhow, I'm running out of, I'll leave this link because I'm running out of video, but I'll talk to you guys later. They've landed. Look at that design they made. What does that look like to you? Some pregnant thing with curly hair? I don't know. What is that?